guys should subscribe, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Didi. As you guys read by the title down below, in today's video we're going to the beach and we're going roller skating. So yeah, before you get into the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Today I'm not drinking anything, we're just going to the beach. So yeah, basically I just finished getting ready. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend and then we leave. So yeah. So I'll catch you guys when we are in the taxi on our way to the beach. It's a weird when people watch, but yeah. Huh? Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell them to subscribe.
You guys should subscribe, man.
Yes. Okay. Good.
And you're not showing my face because you're
I can't even see, bra, Karina. But yeah, we are already at the beach.
now we are
So
going to sit down and think about next term.
yeah, we're gonna reflect on life. What you can just buy like one and
Yeah,
76.
yeah.
She's like, no, Didi, I don't trust me. And I'm like,
Oh my
trust
goodness.
me.
No, but
Guys, don't forget to smear sunscreen. SPF 30, very important. So guys, open our strippers.
I don't know. I just took this one because why not?
Cheers now, bro. Like my little niece. Cheers. Cheers. How does it taste?
Sweet.
This is one. It tastes nah. It tastes like ginger, typical ginger. Tastes nice.
Oh yeah, it's better than that one. Although I like lemons.
This one tastes nah. It tastes like lemonade with like a lot of sugar. But yeah, guys, you know, it's normal to come to the beach and think. It's very important.
To breathe, you know.
I just wanna see my friend. I just wanna I know I've been away. Just trying to
She's supposed to be Didi.
The sun is chilling.
Karina I'm gonna slash him. She got fries.
Fries the bit done.
Yo, you done the fries! But yeah,
Almost done.
now we are walking to the mall and then we go home. So yeah.
Why? But like why, bro?